she's like Christmas. She's like, I think it's y'all. Either Kwanzaa or Christmas. Either Christians or black. It's not, there's no. Alright, let's go.
Okay, go.
Dude, this runway's so long you could land anywhere.
What are you doing? You ready?
Listen up. Okay. Alright, taking off. Go.
Gear up, flaps up.
Yeah, look at that burner, man.
Wow, that thing, yours is locked in, Frank. That gyro? I'm not mocking you on a gyro.
Don't you got that in there too, Ray?
No.
You actually don't have the lemon step?
It's in there, it's just not on.
Oh. Hey, you got a burner in that.
Yeah.
I thought you just said you did it. Oh.
I don't have any extras.
Yeah.
All right, now I gotta catch you.
I got them all from Ryan before he left, but once it gets back.
Yeah, see, your guys' shit's balanced. You don't even hear the whine.
Yeah, we didn't, they're stock. We didn't touch them. Easy. I mean, and it's not even stressing the battery.
Yeah, they always come down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go up.
Holy shit! My battery's tired.
Whoa, where you at? You good?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. What, did you put an old battery in there or what? What's the deal? No more doo-doo packs, Frank.
I'm trying to get rid of my doo-doo pack.
Oh, you're good. It just might have been the way you took that turn, or you climbed. Dude, during the weekend, there's never this much traffic.
Yeah.
You hear how many cars are out there? Starting to sound like PCC with all the cars behind us.
Except PCC, you have the sun to the back of you.
Uh-oh, there's Barbecue Bob.
Barbecue Bob!
Oh shit! All right, so Brandon, watch this. I'm gonna do one of the slides. So Frank, don't get too close. Actually, I gotta go around that way. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pull up right here. But as soon as it slows down, see what happens when you pull it. It doesn't. The tail kind of slides like the real one does. There you are. The hell?
It's just so fucking nimble.
It is, and you can do whatever you want with
Those
it.
afterburners are sweet though. I mean, you really can see them crystal clear.
10, 9, 8, 6,
Going up.
5, 4, 3.
We'll do a split S and come back. Oh wait, the wind's hella weird over there. Frank, that's what happened to you.
That's
The wind.
exactly what happened. I'm at 21.9, bro. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it.
Yeah, the wind did something weird over there.
No.
Whoa, more weird shit.
Gear down, landing flat.
All right, I'm doing a touch and go.
Is that like weird from the heat or something?
It's like thermals or something.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming back pretty quick because I don't know if I got enough power.
Yeah. I got 21.7.
Yeah.
Gear down.
Whoa, it did it to me there too. What the hell?
It's weird. The wind is...
It's like we're hitting rotors.
1 minute over.
Oh, there too.
Flaps up.
Gotta get out of Frank's way because he likes to ram people.
Dude, it's amazing. This plane is just... And the best part is that it's so tiny. It just fits in
So
the...
easy to bring.
In one piece.
Yeah.
In one piece, yeah.
Like I put it diagonal, like horizontally across the car. You don't have to worry about that.
And they fixed the angle of the nose, right? Because when they first came out, they
Yeah. And I
Mine
even...
still has that. I need to raise the nose.
I raised mine a little bit and it helped.
I need to raise mine. I haven't done it.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
No, but if it bounces, it's in the air. So
Oh, okay.
if there's any kind of bounce at all, it takes off, even with it down a little bit.